Hello, Assalamu alaikum. It's me, Sabina, with my October 2023 newsletter video blog summary. This October I have continued to heal from my shoulder surgeries. My right shoulder has been incredibly painful and inflamed again, and I have struggled to type this blog. Despite my chronic health condition, I have attended the volunteers webinars for Islamophobia Awareness Month 2023 and the Fairtrade Foundation's webinar 30 Years of Fairtrade in the UK. I also joined the October 2023 Power Inclusive Excellence Committee meeting and the Training Tuesday webinar, which was about climate change, taking action to support women and girls with World Pulse. Thank you so much for watching, and health prevailing. I look forward to recording next month's video for you. Take care. Bye for now. Walaikum assalam.